Looking for a fun and reliable ride for your child without overspending? The best electric scooters for kids under $300 offer the perfect mix of safety, performance, and style. Ideal for young riders who want more speed, range, and features as they grow. Number 1. Segway Ninebot C2 Pro Scooter. The Segway Ninebot C2 Pro is the perfect electric scooter for young riders aged 6 to 14, combining safety, fun, and smart features in a sleek design. Built with an adjustable handlebar to grow with your child. It supports riders up to 132 pounds and features a powerful 150W motor capable of speeds up to 12.4 miles per hour. The C2 Pro offers a smooth ride with a range of up to 7.5 miles per charge, plus 3 riding modes including a new cruise mode for effortless coasting. Designed with safety in mind, it's UL 2272 certified, features a reliable drum brake, anti-slip deck, puncture-proof tires, and colorful ambient lights. Kids can enjoy music through the built-in Bluetooth speaker, while parents stay in control with app-enabled features like speed limits and locking. Foldable, lightweight, and water-resistant IPX4. The C2 Pro is ideal for school runs, parks, and neighborhood adventures. Number 2. Gyroor Kids Electric Scooter. The Gyroor scooter is ideal for children aged 6 to 12, with an adjustable handlebar ranging from 29.5 to 33.5, accommodating growing kids comfortably. It's UL 2272 certified for electrical and battery safety. Featuring foot sensor start, kids gently step to begin gliding, with the motor engaging only after reaching 2 mph to prevent sudden jerks. A built-in rear foot brake allows intuitive, confident stopping. Great for beginners. Maximum speed is limited to 5 miles per hour, offering a pace faster than walking but safe enough for early riders. A responsive throttle and stable deck help build confidence. Constructed with a durable frame that supports up to 121 pounds, yet light enough for kids to carry easily. The sleek build and easy fold design make it perfect for trips or storage. Stylish LED lights enhance safety and visibility, adding fun to every ride, especially during low light conditions. Number 3. OKAI Zippy Electric Scooter. Weighing only 29.8 pounds, this electric scooter has a folded size of 36.5-inch *20.1 *20.1. It's easy to carry and store anywhere, perfect for getting around campus, short commuting to class and work, and even just riding this entry-level e-scooter for fun. 165 pounds max load, equipped with a 250W motor, peak 500W. The OKAI Zippy Sport Scooter can achieve a top speed of 15 miles per hour and offer a substantial range of 15.5 miles. Can handle 5% to 10% hill grade. This electric scooter is an excellent gift for teens, big kids, or adults to enjoy the fun and excitement together. This electric kick scooter has a high-capacity battery and recharges in about 4 hours. Our OKAI Zippy scooter has passed UL 2272 certified. Safe and smooth. 8-inch flat-free tires ensure a comfortable and bump-free journey. The scooter adopts a rear drum brake plus electronic brake, meanwhile, equipped with a headlight to ensure good visibility and provide extra safety in low-light conditions. Number 4. Phantomgogo Electric Scooter. This electric scooter is equipped with a powerful 350W brushless motor that drives the e-scooter at a maximum speed of 15.5 miles per hour. This can be an electric scooter for adults, and it can also be electric scooter for kids ages 6 to 12. Long-range battery. Go up to a max distance of 12 miles under certain conditions on a single trip. Head out to class, work, or grab a coffee downtown. The motorized scooter can effortlessly climb up to 8-degree inclines. These electric scooters weighs only 30 pounds. The 2-step folding mechanism will easy to fold and unfold the scooter in just a few seconds. Super convenient to carry it in and out of places or put it away in the storage, trunks, closets, beneath subway seats. Commuters-friendly scooter. Ride comfortably and safe on 8.5-inch scooter wheels with anti-slip rubber tires. The motor scooter is equipped with a safe brake system. Hit the brake to activate the mechanical disc brake located in the rear wheel. Safely ride at night with the assistance of side reflectors and flashing brake backlight. Number 5. Razor E300S Electric Scooter. The Razor E300S seated electric scooter is also available in the Sweet Pea edition. The look is pink and sweet, but underneath is all the performance of the E300S. Up to 15 miles per hour of electric-powered juice. With a larger deck, frame, and tires, it's a sophisticated ride for girls on the go. With a larger deck, frame, and tires for teens and adult riders. The E300 is one of Razor's fastest electric scooters, traveling up to 15 miles per hour. Twist the throttle and feel the thrill of electric power. The E300 also has extra-wide tires for superior comfort. E200S features a seat post and padded seat that is easily removable for stand-up riding, boasting a high-performance, ultra-quiet chain-driven motor with speeds up to 15 miles per hour. Hand-operated rear brake for smoother stopping power. Spring-loaded retractable kickstand for off and on-the-go riders.